I have another friend here named Cody.
Hi, I'm Cody.
And we're going to talk about VPNs today. So, see if I can pull up the presentation. All right, VPN presentation. Yes, Google, I have that. Thank you. So VPN does some things. Better pictures right here. We have the main server, or the main network for internet, or server things, like a computer, a workplace here, and any computer in the world, if they have the right information, can connect to that network as though they're normally.
Just like they're in their normal network?
Yeah, they can access the server and other computers on the network like normal.
Wow, that is really cool.
Gosh. All right, so here's some different types of networks for VPNs. The Microsoft one uses PPTP, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And I was looking, there's also the option on the Microsoft one to use this new SSTP, which uses the SSL port for internet instead of the normal port for VPN, which, as it says here, will allow it to pass through even if it's blocked. Which is nice because there's a few on campus that I've tried. Like, what is it? Optics actually blocks this PPTP connection. You have to use one like this to get through that one. But basically, it's easy to set up on a Windows server. We have to add a role, which is like this picture on the left. We just say remote access. And then the next one says which one we want. Which is the top one. We can just click direct access, click next, and go through the setup wizard. And then we set it up here. And I'm going to show you most of these steps in just a second. And then how to connect from a client. Thank you. Sure. All right. So let's see. We have a Windows server right here. And to add a role, we open up the server manager. This is Windows Server 2012 R2. And we find manage and add roles and features. It's already enabled, but we just go through and pick it from this list. Remote, where is it? Am I missing it? Oh, remote access, there it is. Direct access and VPN. They're conjoined into one, so you just click it, features we don't care about, and just keep going until it's done. Then once it's done, it'll reboot, do the adding Windows features or whatnot, and you can then open up remote access right here, which is this. And then we can just configure a new VPN.
Lots of options here.
Lots of options here in the wizard because it's Microsoft. As Cody says, it's not Microsoft unless it's a wizard, right?
That's right.
So we tried doing this one first. It has an error. It starts, it's like, you need multiple interfaces and other such things. I didn't much care for it. So we just go back and do a custom configuration saying we want just the VPN access. And click done, next, and finish. And start, I guess. And does its thing, finishes, makes the service running. And basically, it's done. Is there anything else we have to do on this screen to get it to work?
No, that should be on.
Cool. So yeah, and then we also need to make sure the port is forwarded on the router to, what port is it?
I don't remember at the top of my head. Look it up. I'm going to say 1723.
Oh, really? Single port forwarding? Is that what it's called? You have multiple. Which one is it?
One is for PPP and the other is for IP2, I think.
Oh, so which one?
No clue.
No clue. 1723. Okay. So this one is for PPTP. All right. So that is forwarded to our server, and I currently. Wait a second. I'm not, am I? I'm not connected yet. All right. So this is a remote desktop through the internet to a server. So we could set it up. Now that it's set up, we can go into the VPN on my laptop here, which is on a separate network. And set up the VPN access. So Windows just has its one default one. Connection name is just whatever you want to call it. And then the server address for the VPN. And then in some situations you would need a SSL certificate, but in this one I just have my username, my password, my super secure password, BTDubs. And once you just type that information in, it'll start connecting.
And it's connected.
Oh, you can't see it.
Where's it just lit?
There, it's just slow. Okay. Cody's giving me a funny face over here. All right, so now let's test it. In this TSC, what is the IP of your server, Cody? 192.168.
1.103.
1.103. Okay. Actually, I want to do 70 first. So it worked. So IP config, so we can see here. We have the VPN here, which I have a 150 network, and then I have my wireless hotspot, which gave me a 4367. So through my wireless hotspot, I'm now connected to the VPN on his server and have access to his network. Full access, because here I have his server. I can also access his what's Kristen's IP address?
105.
It's 105. Does it ever change?
No, they're all static.
Oh,
I need. Awesome. So this is the server that I connected to the VPN. This is a computer on the network that the server is on, and I can access any computer on that network, not just the server itself. So here's his wife's computer and all of her end user license agreements from who knows what. And all the program files and such. Like seriously, what are these from?
Nobody really knows. She does what she wants.
Right. And also the cool thing that I found out today, I thought it was kind of a one-way connection, so you can have access to anything on that network. But in fact, let's go to Kristen's computer right here. Which, let's wait a second. This background is sick. Love this background. Now we can go in. All right. What was my IP address? Did anyone know? No? Don't know? 150. So from here, we can also connect to my laptop, which is on a completely separate network. And access the files. Oh, my permissions are different. We can access the files on my computer, which those are my shared files on my laptop. if we want to prove it,
which I want to.
which I want to. So we shall.
Republic of Gamer is
Republic of Gamer is mine.
HT
HT users.
So there is
two-way connection for the
VPN.
VPN. Anyone on the network can access the remote user, and vice versa. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for joining us,
and have a good day.
and have a good day.